too good, man. It's too good. So good morning. First task of the day is visiting the Afloat market, where we're going to indulge in some shopping, like Sano boat or Roma. We're going to be afloat in a boat and we're gonna do some shopping. So like, I don't know how far it is. I don't even know where the fuck I am right now, but the city looks really beautiful. The weather is very gloomy, but still it's about to rain a bit, I guess, but still all good. So this street last night was full of girls and a lot of people. So right now I'm just gonna light my joint because I'm feeling like it. So guys, first morning in Bangkok. We're in Sukhumvit. So we just got up and then like I went out on the search for Starbucks, but like before I could reach Starbucks, I found this amazing place where they were making like Thai iced tea, Thai iced coffee. So I decided to get Thai iced coffee with milk because I don't know, I just felt like it. So that is really delicious. I also got high purple sorbet or something like that, and it got me like juded early in the morning, so I also had a cigarette. Fucking hour we are like riding and riding with nowhere to go. The word in the town is that we have already left Bangkok. Now I don't know where the fuck we're going, but we're supposed to be in the Afloat market. Or let's say like basically Nepal mein aasta bhayera huncha. Nepal ma kai ghumna gayo bhane destination bhanda pani body time we spend on the road gadi ma git bajaउँदै, and also let's say like we are like in a micro highest type shit. We're 10 of us here at the Afloat market, so you got a lot of options like activity or wild. You can like have elephant riding, elephant show, which is all fucked up. Shout out to Pita, we also have monkey show.
I'm against everything.
I'm also against everything.
Monkey.
But we are just gonna do the floating market.
Yeah, we're just
like do the tourist thing, and we're just going to buy and support local Thai economy.
Nothing that
Well,
involves animals.
yes,
Yeah, nothing
exactly.
that involves animals.
So we are trying to negotiate and trying to get information. So it will cost you like 1,000 baht for the floating market, but our excellent negotiators will negotiate the price, I think. Are you ready to go, guys? Yeah! Okay, see you. They're coming already. You come. You don't know. As you can see, we are in the boat chilling. We have a stunt person in the house. Oh my god! Oh no! Nearly accident happened. Thank you so much. The water is like really not this, but still it's good. We are going. It's a nice thing they have commercialized. It's to dirty water money. I'm going back to the King's College. Something is afloat. Oh my god. So I think all of the boat needs to maintain a little bit of distance as well, eh? First stop is right here. There is drink. So some people are having coconut water.
beer.
But I think I'm going to go with the Fanta. I'm very much confused, green or pink Fanta. So I got this strawberry Fanta because I'm the king of making bad decisions. See how it goes. Often smells like medicine. Oh my fucking god. Also, Hanyo, this is too good, man. It's too good. Only mango, how much?
100 baht,
Same price.
Yeah.
Too much mango. You don't live right? Mango matter lini matter sochirako huncha. Here garam no. One mango all. Yeah. Just bought some fresh mangoes. One big mango diced. Let's give me a try. So the mango is really good. It really hits the spot. The expression there. How are you, auntie? How's it? Oh, we have Dick. Dick ashtray. Hey, ashtray. There are various, like, hygienic and sanitarily obsessed person. I don't think floating market will put it out for you guys because the water is very dirty. I mean by dirty, it's not like Kathmandu level dirty, but still. Oh, cute doggy. This is some kind of market. Guys, coconut tree. You see coconut tree, we go coconut tree. While climbing coconut tree, gravity happened, coconut fall in your head. And you did. Oh, hello Robin. How are you?
All good, man.
All good.
I'm expecting.
You like our potato?
Scam counted.
We are cross-fitted. Amazing boat 2001.
Amazing boat.
These are Ati. This boat under construction. Fresh coconut syrup. I wanna try. So guys, it's a ticket video here. Like you see, welcome drink. So I'll remind them guys to take some welcome drink. Guys, take your welcome drink.
Welcome.
Welcome drink. Chini pani khani koi? So guys, I got this coconut ice cream. It cost me around like 50 baht. This coconut ice cream with some, I don't know, rice type of thing and peanuts. Supposed to taste good. If you really like coconut, you're gonna love it. Once you start, you cannot stop. Guys, do it, coconut ice cream.